Hi, I'm Tom with Learn PDR Online. I've got a nice short video for you today. It's just a little tip really whilst I'm working away. Sometimes using these little nylon tap downs, it's easy to get a bit of a rough tip. And because we put these directly onto the paint or the lacquer surface of a panel, you do run the risk of scratching the lacquer if you tap and then suddenly slip with the tap down. So what I use is just a little bit of sandpaper. This is 1200. I just very lightly make sure that I'm just taking that tip off. Sometimes they get a bit blunt as well, so you can just really keep them nice and sharp, but most importantly just making sure it's a really smooth surface to not scratch the lacquer. But that's it, nice quick short tip for you today. So I'm Tom, Learn PDR Online. Thank you for watching.